Okay, Parker. Say, I'm 16 months old. You ready? Okay. Parker, where's the crayon? Where's the colors? Good boy. Thank you. Sit down. Sit. Okay, ready? Nope. Give it to Mommy. Okay, ready? Parker, where's the cake?
Cake.
Where's the cake? Good boy. Thank you. Parker, where's the apple? Where's the apple? Very good. Thank you. Parker, where's the shoe?
Shoe.
Where's the shoe? Good boy. Thank you. Thank you. Parker, where's the kitty cat? Very good. Thank you. Parker, where's the hot dog? Very good job. Thank you. Parker, where's the fish? Thank you. Parker, where's the dinosaur? Good job. Thank you. Parker, wait, turn it over. Parker, where is the puppy dog? Good job. Thank you. Parker, where is the duck? Thank you. Last one. Wait. Where's the flower? Good job. Good job. Yay.
Mommy.
Say, Parker, say yay.
Yay.
Say bye-bye.